Hey guys, Pizza Lad Challenge is here and I'm joined with
Sean.
And we're doing the Chupa Chups Center Shock chewing gum. They're sour.
And I bought these.
So I'm gonna try with splashing cola. Okay. That's what they look like. You get yours out too.
Yeah,
Eat one. Three.
You eat one and then
Oh god. They are sour. But once you get past it, it's nice. Yeah.
Not really.
I'm gonna try with the rest, with the next two. One. And two. Here they are, and oh my god. No way.
This is mine. There's a pink one.
Oh, it smells.
It's kind of sour.
You're making your confirmation, aren't you? So yeah, that's the end of this video. And these were sour, so bye.